Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Wallaby Gaming and Tech. My name is Siddharth and I am here to tell you how to set up Java in VS Code and start your coding journey. To install the latest version of Java Development Kit, open the web browser and search for Java Development Kit. Open the first link. Scroll down and select Windows. Use the 64 installer link to download. For me it's already downloaded, so I will just open the downloads folder. Double click on it to open. So I will leave everything by default and click on next. And install the Java and simply close it. Now we have to edit environment variables. To do that, click on Start, type edit and edit system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Select the path. To copy path, open your computer, C drive, program files, Java, JDK 19, bin. Copy the path. Paste your path here and click OK. Now open the web browser and install VS Code. Click on Download for Windows Stable Build. VS Code is installing currently. Install the VS Code. Wait for the installation to complete. Click on Finish. As you can see, the Visual Studio Code has been installed. After the installation is complete, add a tab here and search Java in VS Code. Click on the first link and scroll down and install the coding pack for Java provided by Windows. Install Java coding pack also. On the completion, click on Finish. Click on Extensions. The required extensions are installed for you. Which will help you in programming. So now everything is installed. And we need to create a project here, and so to do that, close the VS Code, right click on your screen and create a new folder and mention the name of folder as Java, because we are going to write Java programs in here. Right click on the folder and open with code. Click on Yes, I trust the author. Now you can create your first program here. You can create your first program here. Let's create a program. Now I am going to paste the code I have already copied to check whether it is working properly or not. Save the program and run. Yeah, you got the hello world here. Program is successfully printed. Thank you.